Hello everyone, today we are going to be making a bar chart, and we're going to be making a bar chart out of this made up data that I've put in here, just columns A and B, and it's about pets and the number of pets I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of it, come over here to this insert tab, come over here to this top left chart icon, which is the insert column or bar chart icon, click it and enter this or click this top left one in the 2D column section. So when I click it, you'll see that the title of the graph is the number of owned, and the x-axis shows the dogs, cats, and cows, the pets I have over here, and the y-axis shows the data respectively for dogs, cats, and cows. But if your data isn't organized like this and it's not set up in this way, there is another way to insert a bar chart or any other chart. And so what you're going to do, I'm going to delete this one real quick and show you that if I click out of the data, so I'm not selecting this anymore, and come over here and enter or click on the same 2D column chart that I did have, it's going to come up blank. And it's not malfunctioning. Excel's not losing its mind or anything. There's just no data for it, so it comes up blank. So what we're going to do, we're going to click into here, and we're going to go into the chart design and hit select data. So when we hit select data, we don't really need to do anything with this chart data range, but what we do need to do is come over to the legend entries series, and this is going to be our y-axis. So we're going to hit add, and the series name is, well, the title of the graph, so number of owned. And the values in this graph are going to be the values we want in the y-axis or under the number of owned. So we come over here, hit this button, and hit OK. But before I hit OK, you can see here that it already starts to populate with everything that I've given it so far, which is just the number of owned and the respective 6, 9, and 8. So 6, 9, and 8. So I hit OK. It's going to bring us back to this box, and now we have the horizontal axis labels, so the x-axis. So we hit edit, and the x-axis label range is going to be dogs, cats, and cows. I come over here, I hit OK, and now we have the exact same graph, but we input it manually. So either way, do whatever is easiest for you, whatever makes the most sense, whether that be formatting your data all into one space or just clicking and picking and choosing from wherever it is on your sheet. So I hope that was helpful. This actually marks the end of the beginner series. So if you missed any of it or you want to go on to the intermediate or the expert series, please, I would love it. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope that it's helpful. But as always, thank you for watching this video today, and I will see you in the other series.